Hello friends, I am Eklavya and welcome to my channel Yummy in my tummy. So how has it been in this lockdown time? How are you spending your time? Please tell me in the comments and I'll reply you back. So today we are making vegan spaghetti bolognese. So to make this we are gonna need 2 onions roughly chopped and 8 tomatoes boiled and de-seeded and also de-skinned. So you may ask why 8? Because I am making this for 4 people. You can take lesser tomatoes if you are making it for less people. So to make this vegan, we are gonna take some soya nuggets to replace the meatballs, and also we are gonna need 1 bulb of garlic chopped and some Italian seasoning, which is a mixture of oregano, thyme and basil. And also we are obviously gonna need some spaghetti. So I'm using durum wheat spaghetti. So let's get cooking. And also we'll need some olive oil. So here I have got a pan with 4 tablespoons of olive oil on low flame, and now I'm gonna add the garlic and then we are gonna cook it for 2 minutes. And then we'll add our onions. Okay, it looks quite transparent. Let's add the onions. So now let's increase the heat to medium and let's cook the onions until they are golden brown. This should take about 5 minutes. While this is cooking, let's prepare our soya nuggets. So now I'm gonna pour boiling water into this and let it sit for 5 to 7 minutes. Now that the onions are slightly golden brown, let's add the tomatoes. Oops, one tomato fell out. And let's spice it up. In go the Italian seasoning. In go 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Some salt to taste. And 1 tablespoon of sugar. And let's stir it up. Ooh, smells good. Now we are gonna cover this and let it cook for about 10 minutes. Until then, let's boil our spaghetti. So I have got here 4 glasses of salted water boiling in a large pan. And now we are gonna boil the spaghetti. So let's boil the spaghetti until they are al dente. This will take 7 minutes. Ooh. It's been exactly 7 minutes. Let's turn off the gas while it is still al dente, and then we're gonna add this to our sauce when it is ready. It's been 5 minutes. Let's look at our sauce. Ooh, this looks good. Let's add a bit of water so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. And then let it cook for another 5 minutes. The more it cooks, the tastier it becomes. Let's put it on. Until our sauce is cooking, let's drain our soya chunks and then we will add our soya chunks to the sauce. Let's put this here. So let's add the soya chunks and let the sauce cook for 2 minutes, and then our bolognese will be ready. Yes. Quick stir. Let's also drain our spaghetti. So let's mix the spaghetti into this. Mix it. So long. Let's mix it. It looks so yummy. Now this is ready. Let's serve it. Take a piece. Ooh, this is gonna be yummy. This looks quite yummy. I want to eat it right in here. Look at the meatball. Soya chunk. Let's add the cheese now. Ooh, look at the white cheese. Nice and white. Let's dig in. Yummy in my tummy. You have to try these. These are really good. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel, Yummy in my tummy. Bye.